Marlon Hoffstadt doesn't want you to know his production secrets. So instead, in today's video I'm gonna show you exactly how to make a style from scratch. Including the vocal, his signature leads, bass, and drums. So let's straight dive into it. So we're gonna start with a vocal. Let's open up the stack sample pack. It's a vocal pack I did back in the days with a lot of cool vocals. For example, this one. This one or this one. High energy, exactly the style we need for this Marlon Hoffstadt kind of style drop, so fit it to the tempo. Sounding like this. We are working in 138 BPM by the way, and then just mix it. Hit it with some compression. Small radio filter. Combined with the decapitator distortion. Really brings out the energy of the vocal. And then of course some reverb and delay. Combined with a sidechain. So that's it for the vocal. Now we're gonna craft the high energy drums around the vocals, so let's open up the Speed 2 sample pack and start off with a kick. Let's go for this one. Then top loop. This one got a lot of swing in it, something like this. It's solid, but the heads need to stand out a little bit more, so let's drop in this one. So then I just added in some crashes at the start. Now we're quickly gonna mix the drums and the drum bass. So load up my new plugin Slammer. It's linked down below if you want to check it out. It's the perfect one for drum bass mixing. Got 4 sections: punch, glue, air and warmth. Let's start off with a punch, taking it from this to this. With transition shaper and some clipping. Then some compression and some glue. Then open up the high end like this, and a little bit of warmth around here before it sounds like this, and after it sounds just a bit better, a bit more open, and actually it decreased the loudness, leaving us more headroom. That's it for the drums. Now we're gonna continue with a bass line. Marlon Hoffstadt uses an offbeat bass for the highest amount of energy, so we're gonna do the same. Let's pick a preset. Let's go for this one. So it's a square wave, filtered, and just some OTT and distortion. We are working in G minor, so let's make the offbeat bass and a small variation at the end. And mix it. Get rid of the high end. Small amount of compression. And just a sidechain to be sure. Sounding like this. Which is solid, but it's lacking a little bit of high end, so let's layer it with this more FM kind of bass line. Right into the same mixer channel and just copy over the MIDI. So without and with it. And then we're gonna mix it some more on the kick and bass channel. So first compress it to glue them together some more. And then R bass to bring out the low end. So then I want to layer the bass with some sort of choir sound. So again, preset from the pack. Let's go for this one and make it a bit more harmonic. So instead of using it on the G, we're gonna use it on the third note of the scale. Yeah, that's solid, but it sounds a bit weird in the mix right now. So first remove the low end to make some room for the bass. Then push it to the sides. Tiny bit of delay, and of course a sidechain. So altogether our bass sounds like this. So now we're gonna continue with the leads. Marlon Hoffstadt uses a lot of different leads, but his signature lead is this flute kind of lead, as you can hear in tracks as these. I got my own sample loaded up, something like this, and just make a rhythm with it. Sounds a bit weird right now, so first let's tweak the melody a bit more. Just like this. And then of course the magic is in the mixing, so first open up the high end, remove the low end. A lot of OTT, compression, and then drown it in reverb and delay. Just like this. So together with the drums it sounds like this. Which is really solid, but we need to fit up the start of the drop a bit more, so I added this wobble sound combined with a step, sounding like this, of course at a G, and then just copy it over. So this will be our full drop, then just duplicate it and remove the vocal in the first part and arrange it some more, so we have some room for the breakdown, but altogether our synth elements sound like this. So I just made a quick build up with parts from the drop. We have this chant, top loop, the lead synths. Of course it's based around the vocal with a high energy, some FX, snare builds, crash. That's how you create a Marlon Hoffstadt style drop. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides it, if you like the video, hit a like, and I see you all in the next videos.
Stack that cash to the ceiling, fuck that Prada, fuck that Gucci. Stack that cash to the ceiling, buy a building.